Hey guys, my name is Ernesto Breton from the Dominican Republic. I'm an electromechanic engineer and university teacher since 2008. As a mechanical designer, I usually make 3D things, but I never have the opportunity to create them. Between the things I would like to create there are my number one is the smart key, my own version of smart key. The number two is going to be the enclosure for battery chargers, and number three, one enclosure for my new 3D connection now. I bought the Ultimaker 2 Plus last month, and I think it will be a good start. I want to see the difference between this, that kind of kit, right, using enclosure, metal enclosure, and plastic enclosure. For the other two parts, I always want to reuse companies that are not behind using anymore. Also to create my own brand of the design that I built.